Welcome back again. Now we are going to design this simple thing in AutoCAD basic drawing. See, here we have a circle here, radius of 10, which is 2 here and here. So you can see the radius is 10. The same thing over here. Then the inner circle with diameter 10. So it's also 2, this and this. Now the center to center distance, we have 60 millimeters. Okay, now let's check the distance over here. Now the distance from this place to this end point is 90 millimeters. Okay, and we have an angle of 45. This line is inclined at 45. All right, so you see how you do it. And then looking at this place too, there's a line here, and this angle, there's an angle here formed, which is 135. You will see how you do that. Okay, so let's open AutoCAD and start drawing from this place. So I'll take my circle command, center radius of 10. You zoom out, and then a diameter, center diameter also 10. Enter 10. All right, so let me copy it. The distance, center distance is 60, so I'll enter 60. Okay, now I'm going to make a reference line from this place to this side, 90. So I'll take my line command, draw from center here, enter 90 as a reference line. Now if you check, from this place to this place is 20, and then from this place to this place is 10. So I'll use line as reference. I'll go up 20, enter, then go up again 10, enter. Okay, so now I have my 20 and my 10, so I can easily delete the 20 and the 10. I don't need it. Now from here, see there's a line here inclined at an angle of 45. Okay, so I'll just pick the line command, click here. It's inclined at 45. So you see, when I bring my cursor to this side, you are seeing the angle on the crosshair. So I'll just press the tab key and then enter an angle of 45, and then I'll press enter. So it's going the opposite direction. So let me delete it and do it again. So line. Now AutoCAD read the angle from, it goes anti-clockwise. So this, see, it's 90. So going this way, I have to add the 45 to my 90. So when I add the 90 plus my 45, I'm going to get 135. Okay, so instead of entering 45, if I enter 45 to go this way, so I have to enter 135 for it to go this way. So just press the tab key, then enter 135. You see. Okay, so I'll just draw a line from the quadrant this to meet it here, or you can even extend it. All right, now I'll add lines also here from quadrant to quadrant. Okay, now let's deal with this part. You can see there is a line here and a line here. So I'll draw a straight line from this place. Let me do that. Click here, go select your line, just leave it here somewhere here. Okay, now this angle formed here, for us to get it, you have to be very careful. If you draw a tangent line attaching this and you bring it to this one, you won't get the angle. So we are going to use a parametric tool over here. So what I'm going to do is draw your line, a straight line, starts from somewhere here. Okay, and then okay, let me show you how to get an angle in AutoCAD. Assuming I have this straight line here, I'm just using it for demonstration purposes. So I have this line here. The angle formed here is 90 degrees. So let's measure to see. From this place to this place is 90. Okay, and the angle also here, it's also 90. All right, so the angle that we have here is 135. So meaning it is 90 plus 45. which is giving us the 135. So we are assuming that the angle from this point to this point here is 45. Then we will add another 45 to it to make it 135. So what we are going to do is, let me delete this line. I'll take a straight line. I'll just draw a straight line here. Now you see, press on your tab key, enter an angle of 45. You see, it's going to be inclined to this line. Now if you use the tangent, the normal tangent here, you get it wrong. So this is the best way to do it. Now after you have this line, go to parametric. We have automatic constraint here, so we select tangent. Okay, it will ask you to select first object. So we want this line to be tangent to this circle at the inclined angle that you have already drawn the line. So select this circle, select the line. See, it will automatically go and attach itself to it. Now you can hide this if you want. Okay, so let's trim the unwanted. We trim this one, and then we trim here and here. Good. Now let's try and add the fillets. We have a fillet here of 40 here to 40. So take your fillet command, go back home, take the fillet command, enter a radius of 40. Now select this and select this. See, again press enter, again the same radius, press this and then select this one. Let me hide this one. So you see, automatically we have our drawing done. Let's trim this inside portion. So trim here and trim here. Now let's try and measure the angle over here to see if we are having the correct angle, which is 135. So select this, select this one. So you see we are having our 135 angle. So that is the best way that you can draw it. Okay, so let's increase the line width and give dimensions to our work. So in giving dimension, I'll create a layer. Let me create a new layer, give it a name, and I'll change the color. Let me use this, and then also change the line width to 0.25 and select OK. Now make that layer active, and then just okay, since I'm having this, let me start with the angle, an angle of 135, and then I'll go for, let me use dimension this side as well, and go 45. Let me take the linear center to center 60. Here is 90. Then I'll pick this side again. From here to this is 20, and then this place is 10. Okay, and then I'll go for the radius of this side 40, and radius again for this side also is 40. And let me pick that of radius again for this 10, and diameter for this is 10. Okay, so that is our work, nice and neatly done. So if you want to make the dimensions a little bit bigger, I can go to manage dimension style and then increase your text. So now I have 2.5. let me make it like 5, and also with the arrow let me make it like 5 if it's okay for you. Then okay, so see, I have my work nice and neatly done. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and like the video for more projects and tutorials like this in AutoCAD. Thank you all for watching, and see you in my next tutorial.